It's 6 minutes past 6 at night, and I've just been listening to a load of commotions going on, listening for loads of birds, and we've got loads of rooks or crows decided to come and nest at the top of the tree. They made such a racket. Brought us out to see what the hell's going on, because it's unusual. So as darkness was coming in, they picked the tallest tree, and such a bunch of them. So they've got to be rooks, because crows don't nest together, rooks do in a rookery. So I'm just wondering why this is going on at night. It's getting towards 10 past 6 at night, obviously it's starting to get dark. I've got one by itself up the tree to the left of my front door. We've got a wood pigeon there as well. But they were making such a racket, that's what got my attention. So I was looking out the curtains to see if I could see what was going on. But I couldn't really see what was going on, so I had to come to the front door so I can look up. But it's just weird the way they're all... that's the noise, you know, that's what got my attention. And normally birds don't fly on a night time because the eyesight's not that good in the dark. Just strange behaviour. Right, so that'll do. I just wanted to put it on video to see what the hell's going on. Bye for now.